How to update Google Chrome. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will show you on how you can do this. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to open up the application downloader on your devices. So for example, if you're using an iOS device, you then have the App Store. If you're using an Android device, you want to get it from the Google Play Store. Now, once inside your device, you want to go ahead and open up those applications. Once inside the Google Play Store or App Store, you then want to navigate through the search icon of those application downloaders. Now once inside, you then have to search for Google Chrome, and inside you then want to open up the Google Chrome application. Inside, you then have the ability to click on the update button if you are not using the latest version of Google Chrome. If you cannot see an update button, it only means that you already have the latest version installed. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.